Okay, as you can see here, we have added all the columns from the join CSV file to the spatial datasets. So we have these new datasets now, my poly, my line, and my point. So we don't need the other datasets, so we can remove them. Again, we can do the select. This time you use the control on your keyboard. Press the control so that you can select in between, and then remove these layers. Remove layer. Okay, so all these layers now have the columns that we added. So let's look at them again. So these are the final layers with all the columns. But again, these are the generic columns for all the 3 layers. So example, for a polygon layer, we need another column for area so that it will calculate automatically the area. And then for the my line features, we can add also another column for length. So the length of the asset will be automatically calculated also when you draw a line. And then for the feature called my point, we can add 2 more columns, x and y, to represent the coordinates of the point, and maybe the name of the or the owner of the asset, because sometimes the point can represent buildings. We can put that up here. Okay, let's do this one at a time. So I'll close this one first, this, and then this one, and we'll retain the my poly. From here, we add the columns directly using QGIS. So we'll edit it. After editing, we add a new column. Okay, new field. Okay, it's new field. Actually, there's a shortcut there, Control W, but I don't know what you're seeing in your Windows machine, but here it's Control W. But anyway, I'll just click here, and this is polygon, so I'll add area. Has to be decimal real. Okay, click this. So we just added that one. It's an area, or maybe it's a paddy area, so I think we'll add also the name of the owner. Okay, let's take owner. So this is a text type, and then we'll have this around 150. Okay. Oh. It's text. It's around 150. Owner. Oh, let's just bring it down to 80. That's too long for a name. Owner is unique. Okay, let's repeat again. Okay, let's just put the name O. So that represents name of the owner. It's a string, and then let's have it at 80. Okay, so that's it. The name of the owner. Let us know the name of the owner. This an area. Okay. You can see here the difference between an input that is integer and a text. If it is an integer, it is flashed to the right, and if it is a text string, it is flashed to the left. Okay, so that's it for polygon layer. Save without. We will add more depending on your needs later. Let's close this down. Okay. Oh, okay. This time we will remove this one. We will remove this row, because we only use this one for joining the data. So we can remove that one, select here, and then delete using this trash bin icon. There you go, save. Okay, and then let's move to the other layers. Let's go to this layer, my line. Okay, this one we need to add a column for length. Okay, length. It's also this a decimal number. Okay, you see it's an integer, so it's flushed to the right. What else? The line. Let's add more column like a beneficiary. Maybe the line is for a pipeline, a water supply pipeline. Let's add more column. So let's just name it for now as benef benef benef, or short for beneficiary. So it's a text string. Let's have 80 as the length. Okay, there you go. And then we'll delete also this line, this row. Delete, save it. There you go. Okay, for the point, let's do that also. Oh no, not the layer properties, but we'll open this the attribute table of this one. Okay, as I said, for the point, we can have two more layers, the x and y, the longitude and latitude. Okay, so let's add it. One is lat. That is actually a decimal number. Latitude is for y axis. Okay, and then we'll add one more, longitude. This is the x axis. Okay, and then what else? Let's also there is an owner now here. Okay, I think everyone has this column. That's why it's not we're not getting that one in the my poly. Let's go back to that one. I will save. We'll delete this row first, and then save it. Okay, let's go back to my poly. Open attribute table. Oh, there it is. So we can delete this one. So if you can add a column in this directly in QGIS, you can also delete them. So this is next to the new field. There is a delete field button. Okay, that one. You can select that one and then click OK. Now it's gone. Okay, save. Okay. I'll end this video tutorial at this stage. So in the next video tutorial, I will show you how to configure these layers in preparation for packaging them into a QField for QField application on your smartphone or your handheld devices. Okay, see you in the next video tutorial.